Changing a phone number on your Outlook account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Outlook website and sign into your account using your email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner, then select View Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security tab. Click on it to open the security settings for your account. Step 4. Update phone number. Find the section labeled Phone Numbers or Contact Information. Click on the option to edit or add a phone number, then enter your new phone number. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save your changes. You may be prompted to verify the new number via a code centered. By following these steps, you can easily update your phone number on your Outlook account. Make sure to keep your contact information current for account security and recovery options.